In the early days of your B2B SaaS startup, everything feels seamless. The smaller team works like a well-oiled machine, with rapid communication and clear, shared goals. But as you scale, this harmony starts to unravel. Team misalignment creeps in, and execution slows down. More team members mean more voices, and suddenly everyone interprets priorities differently. Misaligned communication leads to confusion, which contributes to project delays and increases in meetings. It's a common roadblock for SaaS founders. To fix this misalignment, focus on creating clarity around priorities. Define what truly matters for your SaaS team to enhance teamwork and efficiency, as unclear goals lead everyone to drift in different directions. Step 2 is about improving visibility. Ensure your team knows what's happening and how their tasks relate to others. With proper visibility, teams will align better and work together effectively. Step 3 is standardizing communication. Establish clear channels and ownership to foster structured communication. This will help reduce confusion and speed up execution. Step 4 is clear ownership. Every task and project needs an accountable person, not just the team. This prevents drift and encourages follow-up. Finally, build these systems into your SaaS's routine. When consistency is baked into workflows, teams will maintain alignment without constant interventions. With these strategies, your SaaS can scale effectively without chaos, ensuring that everyone remains aligned as the company grows. This isn't just about hard work but smarter systems. If your team feels misaligned, check for gaps in clarity, communication, or ownership. These small gaps can quickly expand into major bottlenecks as you scale. Don't let these issues define your journey.